Every day begins with the need to see clearly. And when vision fades, life slows down. But somewhere, help is already waiting.
Trained hands, practiced skills, professional care.
Clarity returns. So does confidence.
Patients are always in safe hands with a Brainware University graduate.
Because at Brainware University, optometry students train hands-on. Every day, with real equipment, on real cases, at their in-house optometry clinics.
So, when they step into the professional world, they're already prepared.
Placed across reputed hospitals and eye care organizations. Every journey begins here, at Brainware University. We are already here across hospitals and clinics, waiting for you. Your future starts where skill meets opportunity.